makapal. Ganun yung ina-explain ko po sa mga patients ko po na sometimes when you have your knees na wala ng cartilage, parang gulong na yan kotse na wala ng rubber po. Sobrang sakit ng mga patients. I actually have patients just the other day, umiiyak na sila nagsasalita sa akin kasi very emotional na yung mga pasyente pag sobrang tagal na yung knee pain nila. They're actually crying, hindi nila alam kung bakit. Hindi nila makontrol yung sarili nila. They have tried everything na. And for these patients who think they have tried everything, usually naman po, ina-explain ko na meron actually gamot na pwede niyong gawin as maintenance. And these are the things I share with my patients. Sometimes na wala silang hope, pero yun pala, I examine them. When I examine these patients, tapos nakikita ko na may ligament injury po sila, hindi naman lahat ng ligament injury po is need ng surgery. There are actually ligaments sa side ng tuhod, kaya nito. These ligaments, the MCL and the LCL ligaments, usually they can be treated conservatively. Meron po tayong mga knee braces po. Yung knee braces, meron silang mga metal sa gilid. I have patients wear this temporarily for about 2 months hanggat gumaling yung tuhod nila. Again, not every patient is the same. I'm just showing and sharing with you na hindi lahat ng patients kailangan ng surgery. Hindi nyo kailangan matakot sa doktor at mas makakatipid po kayo if pumunta kayo sa doktor agad instead of wasting money on those supplements po. Ang dami ko nang ni-review ng mga supplements na ini-expose ko po na hindi sila approved ni Willie Ong or kung sino mang doktor. Ginagamit lang nila po yung mga pangalan ng iba't ibang doktor just so that they can sell this. Good morning po from Cebu City, Merry Chris, and si Sir Joel from Cagayan de Oro. Good morning po sa inyo from Cagayan de Oro. And those who are listening, message me. Let me know where you are from.